Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So guys, this video of how I mix this hair grease together is already on my channel. Just go and check it out. I will also leave it at the card or at the end stream of this video, so just go and check it out. So today now I'm just going to show you how I will be using it on my hair, plus how to cornrow your hair as a beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner trying to learn how to cornrow your hair, just sit down, relax and watch this video to the end. So I've already part my hair into three, like part it into three, but this side is going to be back. I'm going to be doing all back, but as a beginner, so maybe before you get to the back, your hand will kind of get tiring, so that's why I just part it into two. I'm going to be like two step up back. So this is my mixture. This is how it's looking like now. So I'm just going to be using it alongside with this Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. So I have a review on it on my channel. Just go and check it out. So don't mind the parting if you are learning how to make any hairstyle. Don't just focus on the parting for now. The only thing that you have to focus is how to make the cornrow first, then you can learn how to part later. So this is the hair grease that I mixed together, and this is going to be super good for hair growth. Just try to mix yours and use it, and you are going to love it. First of all, I will just grease my scalp, then I will just add some water to my hair, then before I will add the Cantu Grow Strong Living Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. So this is the product right here. It's so good, guys. It can keep your hair moisturized, strengthen your hair, and also contribute to hair growth. It also help to minimize breakage. This product is so good. You can find it anywhere. Just give it a try. You are going to love it. Like, you will fall in love with it, trust me. So as you can see how my hair feels so moisturized after applying the product to my hair. Now, so I've already applied it to my hair. I'm working into my hair. Then I'm just going to add the hair grease that I mixed together. Everything, just comb it out. Then I will show you how you can cornrow your hair as a beginner friendly. Just do this two parts so that your hand will not get tired before you get to the back of your hair. When you do this two step, is going to make everything so easy for you. So that is how I make my cornrow. Anytime I want to make a cornrow, just do it two step, so it's going to make it so easy for me. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys so much. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you also for subscribing. Hope your bell is on so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. Just go and check it. If it's not on, please turn it on. And if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, thank you so much for coming. So if you like this video and you want to see more of me, just subscribe and also remember to turn on your post notification. So guys, this is how the cornrow is looking like now. As you can see, so beautiful and neat. So if you follow this step, making a cornrow for yourself, it's not going to be so easy. Then when you perfect, you can make all back. So for now, just try making it two step, so make everything so easy for you to do. So I'll just continue to do this, then I will be back. So guys, I'm done with the back side, I'm sorry. So now it's time for me to make the front side. So just do it the same way you did the back, so just like so. Everything is going to be easy, just 2 step up back like so. It's going to make everything so easy for you to do. You can make it bigger than this or smaller than this, depends on how you have time and strength to finish it. So I'm just going to add the product and everything, then I will just corroll just the way you see me doing it. So okay, so easy to follow, I hope so. So just corroll it just the way you see me doing it. It's so simple, and it's also going to save your hand from paining you. Like before you will take it all the way back, guys, your hand is going to be so tiring. So when you just put it in this 2 step, it's going to be so easy also for you to do. So guys, happy Christmas to you all. Hope you enjoy your Christmas. So if you kill cow and you cannot finish it, let me know so that I can send my address so you can post some to me. If you kill goat, cow, anything, just arrest some for me, okay? So I remember Christmas back then. So by this time we'll be hustling to buy Christmas cloth, like hustling to buy Christmas clothes and Christmas shoe and everything Christmas. Anything you are doing that time is Christmas. If you want to wash your clothes, I want to wash Christmas clothes. If you want to mop your house, mopping Christmas mopping. Like every single thing you do at this season is for Christmas. If you want to make your hair, you're making Christmas hair. If you want to do anything, it's for Christmas. So Christmas in Nigeria is so sweet, especially Christmas in the village. Oh my God. So sweet. Like I miss Christmas in the village so much. Like all your relatives in the city will be coming back home to celebrate Christmas with you. Like the joy and the everything just making so sweet. So If you watch to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. So if you find this video helpful, like I've said it more than 20 million times, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. And have a wonderful Christmas ahead. Enjoy your holiday, enjoy your new year. God keep us alive to experience everything, all the celebration and every other good things that come with Christmas. So this is it, guys. This is just how my cornrow end up like. So I hope it's nice. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much. So thank you.